Every other my ma obi biara jo na me na mo asenso. Ono obo yen e won se so no enenso ode adom ye nyinara. Inso atoba bi pa, inso antoba bi, ba se de yenya ne bia no. Ye na ye ye ne seda ena enkanfo eni nyina ama no. Ti eda ase esan da na se bio. Na wonso na mesan da ase de toso if we say so shall see se wo hwe Odo Ahomaso Adom TV no wunyaye na mo koso bo de ro e de kire wo mo esefata ya manom ne yedin mo di fidu ngotwe kro ye besua de e Odo Ahomaso na yenso yesua bi efim ho ye hyemu nkran se eye se obefa kwatene ne so na wakoma wadwen mu ada ho na wo pese utwedu a na wo so tumi bua wonua na ono nso ehyase na wanye ne saade a na akoye nsembebre awade na ebeba enso wan tintim a monya me so mpaye anya wadwen se wo ye ama na ye yedi a ende ebe ha adwene enu ti fa akomate odomapa entiase ne kwaredie na ne wo ene wo yire entna na ne wo ene wo kunu entna ene wo ma ene wo busua nyinara na mpratwe ne so ebe ne dai aye nsembebre yeni na we Yankopon na mwaye na yeni na oni ntimi ho bi se adada no adoso esisie no adoso ajojo no adoso na die mpa na ye wo enye me nko ayi na ntafo mienu abehia dem ha enye agro tuntum ne kokko brother Eric hi brother hi brother brother pinky fatal
Medase.
Ama utuntum na pie mo.
Pie. Aya kono, aya romantic.
Papa bi.
Medase.
Hey, tazi infantinyi papa bi. Ah, they say body a body. Koko. Hi Andrew.
Hi Kuma.
At to say.
Yeah, me do.
Ya shefo hu mu say no mani aje, o mu say no enye easy. International for nyina nyame adom obi asori anopo enso hwe wi ensa mo kwatuma how much wo baabi ewia ketekete wo baabi osi je me hwe wi because mo ba mo nsem na keka so obi kan it's on point and esisi so enti ye ka bo mo say na ye say tonight
na chi
sa enti edamase honestly esisie ha twene you gotta be cool at a man yisa.
Unya butro.
Enti esisie adoso. The credit ni ho. Anka 2017 bibia ye ketekete is a global world. Just say name akosobat. No be hu so ebe sinne. E madodo na gitum say ye twempra kasobe wa amia na asele. The here say me nuanu bi ehu me anti bi ehu obi ma me hu anasa it say papa kwa de emfa ne nka ho ne ye nanteko enne emaba we bi esu emma penifo bi susu akoma mai ni yem aye ne wo sameye na minim se wasesa sa na won sesa na minim se ne sem no ka kire me no obedi so sa na woni so Mami ni kai emma me mama no mo ana obebia a happy Mother's Day in advance. A happy Mother's Day in advance. And do you to say obebia a potential mother?
Yes, Mijitum pa. 100%.
100%.
Yes.
Is a blazo?
Yes.
Eric also you too.
Meso Mijitum pa.
Sao.
Because emba die. And say ye two ma jeje mu. Me mama especially. Oh, so sweet. Why a mother as a father? Oh, yeah,
so you are one of those?
Yes. In fact, I'm a victim.
You're a victim?
He's a beneficiary.
You see?
Yeah.
And now you are kind of messing on us. And so before, no?
Yeah.
Not on to me, so on to me, standing up bold, not on camp. That you have overcome.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm proud of my mother.
Amen.
Yes.
That's
the vampire so baby I so no. But intimate but all the same no.
Did one na bit
me no all the same they say they 100% asida and my Sunday be Mother's Day. Mama wish me mommy happy Mother's Day in advance. But unfortunately, or dantem. Don't mean me.
Obi beti akachi.
Obi beti akachi.
Boni di na wish them more. Boni di.
Akosia mantebia.
Mami akosia mantebia.
Felicia na no mutehu.
Esa ho. Okay. Enti
Felicia.
mami Felicia akosia mantebia. Na mami we he. Efa no. Owashie. Okay. Mama Oba Bema Eric. Any you wish you a happy Mother's Day in advance. Andrew.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what do you say to mom?
Good morning.
Minim joka.
Yes, I know. Na daddy try to coin. Na mami na just like he was saying.
Yeah.
Na okay, 3 boys. All Monday borns.
Strong ones, of course.
So ding.
Yeah.
You know, and through it all. Nisa ye ding wo so. Yes, I can be some of the time, no. Because it be I can be an pandam, no. You understand?
Yeah. So,
and ne don't or extended to the extended family.
Okay.
Sorry for dream for. Ono who say ohia most of the time. Onya. But odo bia. You understand? Right. So unfortunately she's only around. I mean somewhere far away. But me sure say Otiminka. Auntie Sarah. Boedi.
Oh, I
or US.
Oh, US. US for the one penny.
Yeah, you know.
Even so how much in it. Also states, you know, Obiade said the aircraft. And see that Obiara say I wish every woman is a potential mother, even the teenage girls. They are also potential mothers. Even those I definitely teenage mothers. Make sure say
we go through a lot.
And easy. Wish all of you a happy Mother's Day. Obito. And so, Mamma not to the book, I shall call a ben and one dear pet, never pana be in it.
Yeah.
No, I didn't see.
So sad.
No, it's so sad. I can't see a cat, and ya grow. And see again, Mamma Kai was said, Yami, I do my equisia a day in Nimui, a 13th. Sorry, I make a 13th, 14th of May. No 90 at 2 gate anymore. Adom TV and a paye. Yeah, no physicians and surgeons all rich one about. Odo for braho ye near Rusi. Some am in sat in them bra. Eh? Na dan name be si wo hono. Enya dia ure ebe fida. Me dem nyina say, ye beto so ene kan akoma to ye mia kokudro. Ye bie phone lines na me se ni be brain e di wunya ejojo wo. Aka okodanda. Opese opa emuka. Na wo hoto. Opese opa emuka. Na wo komu jo because wo komu ayedruye papa. Enti me bie license tem e de ama wo. Na wetimi afre aka de di wunya. Wo bibi panso a na ode apeso. Na adada no so adoso. Me metena ha enye program yi emra me wo akoko dam sponsors here. Bo ma so masene e wo se etimi de aseda kese pa ma. Na wo so me da ase. E so afro bi say hey ka ho so Adom TV ho ai so internet no na hwe akuma baba zimbi ye baba ya damfo ye chiri ba no na ode ni penifo akoko dam Eric any Andrew ye united tie na mo so mote ho ye da mase papa yo emre bia me kan and in a global firm Emma yedo tatashini global firm eye edro oba wo yusu yes wo mia kakre go asabo ahona wo de shahona oh baby Emma all the natural yankopon aye no esiesie ne kama edisi wo enka bi amao na de den say bonus a eda global firm no say Emma wo ye extra tart
na che
Emma na ya wo ba ko mienu miensa enan o say that they enjoy pacho Yankope global firm. You been in pharmacy beer, baby beer. Oh, gee, never sure once why sweet 16. I say, you're still a virgin. Ain't your baby? Anyone wants to because no, many taste. I cram into global firm and Habama Marcellus and take a pharmacy beer, Nekope bito, and almost same. Fly away, flies, killers. Esaya fumigator. Out of 4. Emma to nima ojomina ajiafa. Efie emwan keten sheshe ho. What asa na okaw inkonyemu. Me sit to wo dan mu fa into magunu sheshe. Tokro keten na baby e wo bia no na jai. Mani shinwie ne kodem ho. Ne canon so easy. Emma cold, Emma hey, but you the fragrance is good. And you don't want to papa. Anyway, you know, and I just black mosquito coil. 12 solid hours. And you're very thick. Oh my goodness. It couldn't no precope. It couldn't precope. And a time beauty about to waiting so. Wait from Antimino because on one day home. So and I just black mosquito coil dinner home. From boss says your shit na ho come on. Sana she. Then can see a come on. When you're cold, it's in your ya on your shade. Now insecticide spray so dear. And yet easy. In Rome, and saying in Mamma Keke, or the 4 a man in pa, what a buono a come. A did you make ye papa in crassy baby or can she almost vehicles in now. Baby, bia, obey ye beato, yamma and say ye fear. Not to be so far check, Opa to baby. And I told you my break out, never catch o mammy. Boss and maybe I will say, now I know perfume Benny, super a Benny. Now, yeah, come on. And see, I don't want to say so. Oh, my Timmy assassin. That dear me came. If I won't come, I mean, chat won't come right with us. The gospel truth. The truth is bitter, but we need to say it as it is. And don't worry, dear baby. No worry, dear. Near dear one, near dear shed. Oh, chin chin, oh, line, oh, chin chin. Now, come on. That's it. Welcome back. Oh, okay. Kofi se akuma. Now, can I global fan? One fan number number. Don't worry. Me the bema. Number still me the bema. That's it. That's it, papa. So, like I was saying, no, it be saying ne. A lot of guys are deceiving women. Eric. Andrew. I don't know what is happening. Now, dear Emma, me sometimes my embrace say, your money been so sharp. So, with all this education, after 20 years, so when him grown him say, if I'm unsafe, I'm ovulating. Now me say me abstaining. Now me you will get pregnant.
Yeah.
So if you're not ready and you can't abstain, why don't you protect yourself? But the fans say, me wow. Mako humame. Me never phone anymore. Then they move their things and go and stay. And then we shall see you. Fit it. Do one I 2 on near my aircots na member so. And I met many be 2 cots and manison. What man wow. And then they get pregnant. And they are not able to tell their parents. Sometimes they take the law into their own hands. Some person abortions, aborting, but it doesn't help. Me advice will be that so about it. Me be sad. But a man from cry 8 soon about that. And my memory be anya kukudro. I catch and say, and patrol and then when able, and I don't want to see you for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
I don't want to see you for 2 weeks because then you do 10 years. And community tradition be they are allowed to marry 3, 4 upon your strength, your money. And the only say I chicha my ye. Now what do you know? I feel na wusu. Esum. Esum. Say suni.
Sope.
Okay.
But you see, yeah, bebre on. Say obi, then I dream about mau. Okay. Now we name say. Kwan we na beso de ne faso. Okay. Eventually we name say okay. So we be upe mu ka kire no plan no, the entire plan no, from the beginning ya. E bia na wo pese oye no, o ma onye.
Okay.
And it opens offer the shortest cut, shortest route possible. Okay. Which is also very dangerous. Now oba no e dem pan the back can say, oh, wakachira will say this is his intention.
Yeah.
It will be 2 hour channel so. Once you begin to cohabit, most of these things will continue. and twice okra na e be sha ase. Okay? Eventually we start say we ye niye bi. You get to know say okay eventually we have from ntem. That should be another opportunity for you to begin to think. Okay? Say be a plan now or nipa wasesa. Fortunately be a mean five emphasis quote unquote I've been selling for maybe a year with this guy.
Yeah.
So to speak, I thought say be a met me in abobra. Okay. But for some funny reason, you know, maybe office we have variety. It is relegated me to second position. You should be able right there and then make him know say you know how to love pa, but you cannot be stupid.
But that's it. You know how to love, but you can never ever be stupid. Eric, sometimes do you regret doing that? And now I need a home. Of I was so smart, and I want you smart.
Well, you know, I need a home. And my man at the end, I need a home.
A binum dear,
in the home. Or person or bano, look sharp, no journey, no walk. Now, Bemane look sharp or banners or no. Sometimes, me blame and bano some way. Before crapa, only Bemane Bequa dano, and I saw I joined the crab bassam quaco dano crano. Now, what ban Beman by soap and no bad produce or obey and a down for no.
Okay.
As I saw set the boundaries mouth. Oba set the boundaries mouth. No marriage, no sex.
Me that's it.
Na eni nyina no ebegina enkoma one be ma no bedi.
Ebedie.
E na be ma bia nso a we badwene ba. A ne ni da form. Say oba no ohun say oba no e discipline. Oba no background e stronger. On take his advantage no one so.
I see.
Into no, yes, charity begins at home. Into what ba no so set barrier boundaries ma ho. That means say if you na ofi mu no discipline wo ho. When him say bema na mene ne kwa ese me ma ufu hu bema no ese obefie bema obefra o ko ba ho na afi mutete nkwanchen no any reasonable and a disciplined parent bepe say na down for ba bia na bema bi oba besra no no ode ne bebefie beba tina dem na yehu no na yehu mu movement. Because that time when they are munyandu babia say mo koda.
Oh, now this thing you are saying, it cuts across all ages. So, a penny or so, a man so be parents here, or by not now could see by B, junction B, no coffee acquired your bay, no aba, if you are done for you, Quaracaciano. No, go Jano.
No,
it will not help us. Oh, M.Y.A. And now, can't. Well, say, no, can't you know, penny phone or what do we do? Instead of us study each other near where we rather do advances, I believe, into mathematics.
Yes. In common. The type of encommon and the type of places amubeko, the kind of agrobia mubedi. And on a bed from into what band you need to be smart. And be money they are smarter.
I didn't have who I smart. Who said about a way. On yet the type, any now for 4, and I in the year, and I then because sometimes so na sabi was swissy.
Yeah.
When it's so afraid.
I don't know.
And true, you guys don't speak the truth. Majority of you.
Yes. And until I make us say, Nina answer, I saw about when it daho, Nina and Pible. And then Nina and Pible. It be cried to me here for girls. I don't know Ben name.
That's so.
That's so. And then answer, I'm a lady be a dim common. Or no, can I cause so much? I no say. Aware bi in fact oni be man ni hobium.
Okay.
No say bra say me ka kire o kwan be man fast so de ware mi a e be yo nwanwa.
Sir?
O say be man timi so nsa say o so nsa say ya. And especially so
o so nsa say.
O so nsa ni mu say ya.
As obi ne ba.
O be tru say ya uhu de be yo.
Oh sir.
Na o say omo de sa ne ye emba no that is oba no approach you. Now o put attitude na e putting off. A putting off and the Jumo de be doing. Now, so now the walk. Also, be didn't say crammy.
Sir,
who didn't ubedi a chin and aqua bibia, and he said, who ye ne here? Not fair, I didn't, or yes, or pampamo, and not to any so.
I see.
No, then away. Into a same pie, to me, especially youth, no. Me target near youth, especially. Because almost
they are the future leaders.
Oh, yeah, the future leaders. Almost say, your youth at the age of 18, 19, just say, na enyema akoni trimuno. Only need to hold no money in command, never be PF no. What do you say? na akɔda o ya akɔda no epini nti say ye make sure say awofo no e make sure say this discipline no e be hye yemma ni mu
na yemba yenka ni pi encha o say o pese wo ye ohene ana ohema the future is now.
Yes.
And what decisions are we taking? Near my baye and about determine future. Say a bit bright, a bit dark, or whatever it is. And you know, MC a curtain near me bubwa swatche. Miss Ramomumi and Pemu and Cancer Womo, Sabi. Said your banner, Bema, and our banner, ye, and Sanfata, at Tiana say. And a Jenny and Nano been so me and Yan Colano, and Mamma men and Quan, see that so tiasia. Me and young Colano so my man and Quan, say that so tiasia. And was that the two shall be one. Near far entity a panel, yen to me and fama. Now I fancy yen tie. You know, ye consoling, but we never learn from our troubles. We never learn from our downfalls. We never learn from our pain. Huh? Wouldn't bear my anante. One no first one, second one, wow. Said, tell me I'm lucky. Now, third person is coming into your life. What do you have to do? You make sure, say, that person does the right things. But no. As a sabi, and my besan. As a sabi, and my besan. But they say the beautiful ones and the handsome ones are not yet born. Yet, ye won't your facade. And a bit de be a cheat. Oh. Because I am more, yeah, there's a nothing about saying, but if I won't call any panic or bomb. What here you can say, hey, Andrew Pa said ye bear my Eric, come with way. Eh? And so no. Cowanim. Cowanim. Ubeshia dear chance. So that is the meaning of the beautiful ones and the handsome ones are not yet born. And no, when you're to wasier, no quarry dear, Ejuma Dane. You meet and say to yourself, oh, I'm glad I've had you. Eh? Patience. When you're abotra, patience. I say what moves mountains. And I'm a boy. When you're abotra, or you didn't know the open on second.
Yeah.
Eric, when you're abotra, I chin breaky.
Yeah.
Selection and you're great.
And
I hope both of you, your wives, as well your mothers.
Yes.
Do you agree to that?
Yeah.
Before the show ends, you mention their names and they say hi to them. All right. But I say, minim the Eddie Winya, minim the Jojo, one common the ebo. Ben Nessie Midi can kind of line center, you may be in term. But me, I call my Instagram page and so you may be a line C, A, B, and not or call name to me and for her. My Instagram page messages with me, I call now making cancel. I'm our camera. And you know, but me a phrase this year. It was 0302 211-701 up to 704. 0302 211-701 up to 704. Now my snebego screen is to see at the amount. But while I waited on, I can see beside me Global Firm for one more, you know, say or pharmacy no per se or to be told. Global Firm open a dodo and craha over fre 0264 40 39 81 0264 40 39 81 and I say 0248 18 0367. Accra names and a media mawi, Mami nu Kumasie, Upe Global Firm, maybe, and Global Firm, Upe be a be Kumasia, Nama Upe Fred when ye be any 0244 70 15 74 0244 70 15 74 and 0205 0205 76 98 77. Yo, Peter, Yamakwaba Diba Odo Ahomaso.
Okay, good morning.
Good evening, good morning by this time, yeah.
Good morning, good evening, good morning. Me pere asemi choma jina wa de me pere menye bibi someone.
Yete o kasa.
Na reka bibi de. O friend en emba emba no mo nka no kre.
Ememe bi nka no kre sa na eka.
Bi mo nka no kre yo.
That's right. Yeah.
Me da se ho.
Yeah.
Now mba pa bi wo ha on ka no kre to the extent say. Wow, kafa no na wo ye no be ye no ho ade no. you funa bano no wasan de aka be me from one na da ka me say akwa no benyi no wasan de abrɛ say e wo ba nti wo a wo be ye ne den
me ba cho kan ye experience ben de wanya and I will can in general
me kan in general ya de atome
okay nti kan ye woni ne nyemoye e na obeka kire wo that's right
you funa ba ye no no ka kire wo say you funa ba fine ukwu edwuma me ba ye no na asmo ka kire me say le wa park ne nyama na asmo ka kire me say ai be man me ye mbasam se me ye mbasam de no no okọ nti obi okọ ye no okọ tin ne nchen no onu say I say the guy no no before but one don't one they can kire be man no no say o ye ne guy ana so guy bu baby
meba o girl na meba nyabote girl na woni ne nante obekire o sa onyem no sign na oni obi nso hihye ho ba wan kan kire okay ena later o ka kire no ko adwuma ba no ena o se wo ye ma asem nti okọ ena okọ sa be ma no enye sa ena be ma na anyi ena wa sign na chi aba
oni be ma na atena be ma na atena some years na wa asen aba say e pa ne ye wo ba to the extent say o be ma onye ne nyem ye no oni mo neja wo say den
wa wi ansa na okay some years and it's because nyi send the nyame adom e some months na aka years dey doesn't mean say wa wi
ye funu ba ye sa no I just say odi kan ko be ma ne onye be ma na aka tena about yen fen say be 1 year a wo ni ho sa tam na me ni Ghana ha
okay
they make out ase into wo ye no just wo be ma ne nchen
oh I see. This is serious.
So, I know I catch you say, Bemano, Aqualan, who's Aqualan, so as a Bemano, you didn't can on any yamano.
Oh, I see.
It's your passana, a banner say no over anything. You Aqualan, so second news was what they come a Bema for say, a Beman again was send their bell. Into she shall me yamwa, into me.
Yo, Matsi, and why bet me a boy when they say, Obeko Kolebu DNA. Na wakwa akɔhwɛ so simple na papa no ne te no wahuni na akasa
oh me hu no de since I me girl meet here me hu guy no so da but on me akasa so my time me be ohwɛ ne kasa mu I say opese onye me kun oba no ho na de me so that kind of style nyama nyama me ni nje ho
one guy no e worry anasa mo so mo ye empratwe awade ebi
sisi ano wa fall up back
to you
nyanka yeah, me worry no ana bibisa.
Why already saw ba wano? Why already saw the betcha no wano?
Me my already some the betcha no but me come in prof when ni man me busa for no say sa asem me say asem ne ten dio onya do me penish no ma wano. Me so ba no so me pe no.
Oh. Odo beni.
Good.
Ana akula ni ti ho. First of all, no. But what me pa show the etienne say, "Bomodia call hospital." Opa bibia me ni bibia wo se ba wetin aba kolebu DNA ni ebi ho na make sure say abofra no ye wo dia na enye wo dia because ebe ya say ye de nyinse no akwa ne sade aba na be san hwa akora na edu baabi na afa obehu say enye wo dia enti me yehu say ye wo dia enye wo dia o na opesa wo hwe na fine but kai hu say wo ba woni ne twempna otimi di obi nyinsen bro na wo nyinsen koma obi na otimi ko ba de obesan tukwan dia obi besan di ni sa na wasan abasa na wasan agye sa so I need the bold decision it is yours woni ne bone ne be che no but obeso why dey and dey hu say udi na obi su di na nkrofo ma ebe ye wo ma na won so wo ma ekoye bi ne mo ma me da say all right me ma kwa ba de ba Odo Ahomaso Dina. Hello.
Hello.
Me da say. Aba Dina na afrefi.
Me favorite Kaswa.
Kaswa. Ye da say. Dina etiel.
Good evening.
Good evening. Ye da say etiel.
Ekuma.
Hi.
Anything I was saying me now personally, and I say me no kasa 1-on-1.
And yes, she would can be. You better also actually.
Because no problem being person me the two in.
Yo. And two person can say Siana. Feel free.
Okay.
Just say it. Or we will swing idea womb. Wow, please go ahead.
Anything me see soon. Me share Beman. Now Beman also or the same me say oh year.
One country or so year.
One country me.
Yo.
But later on me finding out. Not quite say. Madonna we. Asisiano.
Yes.
But to me, like, or person apologize or person pepper me cho. Me feel it's a main fine channel, but me wundi amenye. Still, because Sisiano me the channel on your band that's so honor. My try to make me not dream so free, my dream mean to me. It's me send me the 2 a.m. Some way to me because me me still also pray say or be back. Miss me person my affecting me.
Never no unim sa why the wedding and I say if you are there.
Of course, fit my finding out BBR.
And what is there? Almost marriage in idea be
Wedding.
A wedding. So unim sa wedding the own to me and worry a second person. What I say? And see, this is the education. And take it as it is, as bitter as it is. Finance and molding for you would be okay. I am so glad because for say be I want to in a wedding. Now be so hot person time. What don't you start on the room? Baby, no dada. Once from one so sometimes you me and taking some decisions right on our feet. Wouldn't him say our yere? What the that or the tail? And away and no crumple. Am I 100% right? So betting in a giant the relationship. Sweetheart, what am I say? Ain't do that. Na giant your bar, no so enjoy the marriage. Yankupon, she ebe ye bay ma or back crow at the fell. Chain the way. Where the obi dio? Yato no enele jo no ni. All right? Timan manenko. Why? Ben you sikano. Men you are shady or no ye. Men you are going to on the wood to order to Queniano or can trust any yere. And no insurance him. Wow. And you won't so unquan a girlfriend or there's another woman somewhere. All right? Baby, so when you boy, no wait me, I can let him go. May that say. May that say. In fact, these two issues are very, very delicate and serious.
Yeah. We need to talk about
it. We need to really discuss it.
Yeah.
Sweetie?
Quickly. I'll say, just this one.
Yeah.
Lady or any dear by. Say, yes, sir, Bermano. What she's found out, say, on Obana that's war. There are no issues. On which grounds are Bermano, A and I dream say, based on which are legally, will be with Major Obana or but just that they are there. Kind of one country and say, will be and Obefa wake out. And I could, with the could, pass ready, what to kin at the pool. And what the kin at way? What I'm say, Obana Frey. Say, Bevan, why do you want the team?
Yeah.
Or so jai, but won't me. Oh, you understand? That's how come she's calling. Yeah. Okay, now make her say, send one the cody in the password, the Obama, what to kin at the pool. Into this Okobo master key. Okay. So all she has to do, better. Okay,
very bitter.
One thing she has to do, she needs to read more. She needs to pray more. Make some friends or meet to me are talking out of this thing because the moment she begins to stay alone, and I say, once it's a difficult thing to do.
Very difficult.
Okay, so you need a lot of friends who will encourage you, who would actually open you up into new things. Okay, develop new things for yourself and make sure so you become a better person. I don't know, Beman who will regret ever doing that to you.
Andrew, you can 100% right, but the power is also in her own hands. You see, to lock her mind on those past glory. Say, this is not mine; it is somebody. And that now, it doesn't matter more friends are taken into new life. If she doesn't say to herself, "Say, I've let go," nothing is going to work.
Yes, Sekuma, I agree perfectly. But the thing is, sometimes when you fall, depending on the depth of the falling, you need someone to hold you up
to rise.
That's what I want to mean. I'm telling you.
Every year. Eric, what do you have to say here?
And the little person with the count is so for business, assembly or catch them, no, or buy beer or no sorry. Young lady or no sorry, and lady no, I will back on. Bemananje or share colano.
Okay.
Intina acquire say or ban and shed a yejuma. Intino pel, Beman so a bit me a buano, I share colano. No, then who call ball bikuno. Nanipa obikuno, so no shano or money, or money nije. And our catch there so for so for some problem ni which means obana e willing say obem jabe money.
Okay.
Ba ho kire nti na so for na catch ne say hwe wo dey show trim na say wo si gina ni so pese o ja no ja no nonko na nyame ebehwe kwan a obefa so obehwe ase magic oye na adwe na oja be obi kunu ne ma no no
that is the power
owo be andi 1 year oho no na sofo no nya ko like ase ebusuan na fo bi sa
that's right
ka kire so oba Ghana ni ba ware na obetimi alink no no ye sofo edie onfa de ni ntoto youth nim na dia obenya ofo so egu no non link no odi na ni tutu mu an eba ni trim so girl no ka kire ni so nice girl be around but owo baba akon menim so be pene na na tena no de enyi na be gina oni oba ne so no so mini problem me worry oba no na e de ne ye man contact no establish link no ekuma me no ka say wa be for oba ne ko asan be fa ne baba ne so akọ
you see
you know it's the decision who take it now o bompire nyame be baba wa
clear heart
yes
we clear
you
heart
have a clean mind clear heart into ye obi bia o bompire o ye bia you know say you are doing it from a good heart.
All right, me that say. Yanko your second, the first one so a guy na say nyinsɛn. When him say me ma dodo na ye din ko forma de brem o na ma gi atum.
Obi asem o ka kire me ba ko na esre o say so wo nkola. In fact at least wo nkola mienu na miensa. Na ba ko kora anse wo be ma na. Ende e ma odue.
Ye ma odue.
Ye ma odue.
Menue no ba no. Okay, aggressive.
Pass we are. And now I can say no. At the end of the day no, oba no, and I so do ne kure. Because wo be ma you say oba ne ne ba akola papa. Into wo be ma no de empire na we boss say nyame be ma oba obedu no kure. Na oba nso ordinate no, nkola ni nyina be ye odia. Na dia ye brai problem o komu de clear. So ba no onye stable girl.
But this is serious oh. And he still wants her back. Osumi point no. Sa odo na ye ya osumi ntimi enye no.
Debbie. I say ma ye ni da ho na ma mpa ya timi ye because from the way okasa no aso otukwan.
Yeah.
Na obe ware obai, unware no. Emponi o. Obe ware na esi ho. Na hwese dia wode yi na nsen ye na wogya no ho akwakọhye obi manso.
Obi manso weda no so ye.
So what you say?
Just what I didn't say there. Baby afa.
Into
a self discipline no.
Untimi. And oba we no she's not the type of discipline.
Huh?
Because be may turn hun kakra bi. Hwe juma wodi. Wa say be may ye akoda ye be may dia. No wa san dia akokoma be ma foforo. No koye na anye ye no wa san dia ba say oba ni eje oba. They be in life no. Or touch a bear man.
Yes, no, but the guy is also not being too smart. You can't based on love.
Say boko na se me misa posa abofra no your ba na se bema. Na se de egusu celebrate your mother si e napa ye. Na branti akonyi sa oba so akwa do baby. No who say oti hwe ni papa mo ye mienu a. Do you think she will ever or he will ever celebrate the mom?
No. She will feel very bitter and
uni papa akuna okuta different surname.
Yeah.
Uko ha was say the frau. Uko na say
very bad.
Na mo papa for nia. What na wo call ne hokane. In fact, this is serious issue. Obi wu e wo Confanoche Hospital. Obi wu e wo Kolebu. Obi wu Tema General Hospital. Obi wu Atua Government Hospital. Go for the house because of way.
Yeah.
Sana ngofra mi ensano enai mienu ana ba akopɛ no na nye papa ne ba. Mojei. Yadi boy ekopo obi akotwe the rightful you know.
Yeah.
Moja no. Na papa na ewu. Enti me sre mo. Esan sre mo biom. Andrew.
Yeah.
Emane masada.
But
empire obi biara. But the happiness, how will you feel? At your old age, 50 upwards, 60 upwards, 70. Now nim say one kwala 5. Then out of the 5, you know, 1 and a year dear. How will you feel?
When I sometimes I did suicide never bano. The emotional torture that you end up getting, and as a being said or the child at that age, you know, belong to me. You understand? Because what now? I share investment I come anymore. From time omoyen kola so many we do 50 oko pension. Now can say 5 out of 5 no. Emu ba ko pe I said nobody at all. Is it back up there or there? 49 for the Ashaqua.
And look at him on heart attack. Oh,
it's a Siana, you're torn between the A and the Red Sea. Okoja Obano. Not Wajan Kwana Kwana said, bond down in Quadrinia all these years.
Anyway, yeah, brother issue, yeah, then I say. So yeah, both no fraka. But a lot of guys, men, are going through this. What advice need they before we pick our next batch of callers?
Both sides, no. Men in now. If you're going to something, you feel strongly say, ni pain ne no doesn't tell you any pan to me to Queen Janama Onya Sumunche. They are very good actors in the system. Okay, you put certain things to test. If it proves negative, forget about the fact. Say, oh, that feeling of love, no, the person doesn't deserve it. Just cut it off. That's the best thing you can do. Okay, and you need to make sure, say, you are actually doing the right thing at the right time, and be responsible for whatever action that you take. Yes, you need to be very responsible. Into when you need to know, say, worst things can come your way.
Anyway, Mami Koso and na anajo black mosquito coil say the insecticide spray and a fly away flies killers. Some of us yasne na yetimidi Odo Ahomaso bro every Thursdays and Fridays. Ewa baby all the leading supermarkets, small supermarkets ubenyato ebone da form na ema woda ho malaria away, flies away, and save money. We are so grateful. Se omoitimi aso yasene no moitimi aso yasene sanso Andrew fani choki ye mame sanso na global firm emedo sahi aba hansi ye lubido atinka ni nyane mo esama ye tight ema ye kunu mo enjoy ye enti ma bo ye kumase eni akra number bi bo sunyane number because on my time what are it nyane for to wo sunyane na open global firm ni bia obetimi afre 0547 796623 0547 796623 and I say 0506 12 27 28 0506 12 27 28. Confirm we do it for when you number say na mo call you global firm 0557 0557 70 60 92 0557 70 60 92 and that's 0549 21 24 33. Global firm, that's the secret. With us say, all right. Mema akwaba di ba Odo Ahomaso. Me da say, but you didn't maybe free.
But I feel me Rabbi because I free me.
All right, Rabbi, it's you.
The pacho. But the mawari some ne hamaji.
Me pacho kasa why?
Me jaya worry.
Also be jawa there.
Worry nim bejai.
Ada na obeja. Kama chere pacho. Pacho kasa.
What you want to muwa? Not on the temper was on the end.
Me pacho also only be matino muwa omu no cheshe mu kakra. Why o hwa there?
Why me hwa there?
Okay, okay. What worry if you are here?
About 5 years.
5 years. Afeka sa. Me pacho kasa.
Na me know what say. Ni person me kasa bebre. Me who be mine. Class teachers too. When they see me them.
Lord have mercy.
Akran ni meni akran na wasa. Ina go pon dey be di edri. Some madam me ho no me dem na me kunu sabi oda hotel. Na jebu ko ben dey mama. O mu me. Na yesa me man to ko ba hwede o, me tuna ko ba hwede bi za won say. Wo sa da wo.
Obesa ye biom. Na mo ma. It's some yo. Was it plastic chairs too? obi ani mo brempo ahyese e no kra no rejecto ebi asa time no kra no na obi a bibia aye set e wo ho but odoninti. Now why is it that some men omutimi di ema foforo eba omo matrimonial home first medu takrade me ma kwa body board Ahomaso ye fro say Brakofi ye da say takrade fo bia ho ye de
obi aho ye
e pa cho kasa
pacham besa me pisa asam kaka
pa cho mani mra yeti o me pa cho ma television volume ne mra down maso why
pacham
yeah television ma volume ne mra down cra please
pacham pacham say onne pacham
yo kasa
onne besia ho na ode na pachia o mame na ono o papa o papa ho so obe wa no na asam goes on no go say dia only different person
ekasa say fili and answer on phone okay great
communication into the sense that you think say if she's sitting on you.
I see, but do you hear their conversations? Hey, what say? What are some of the words and idea now? What kind of conversation? And a coso
conversation nipa no be can say nipa kono show. Now me ono the obetimi ahwe no. And see open like you should just leave that guy and come to him now and they do not to marry that person but to date him.
This conversation no am da ho neba and I saw te ho mote ho and I would see we nyina
it's a phone na meti
it's a ho na what say
but
enti oni nete
but that
na o de obesra wa na sa calls neba
enyo abai
obesra wa na calls neba
abai enyo na chese oni me cheda na chese kosopa
na say onu accept say okay ni me beja no aba won cha na say yo mate na say what ne say
like yeah no okay me say ni pa ko ni say open wa hana open ba
o timi ka kire won so and they say open ana so why both you there are some conversations na ni pa no ka kire wa o se e bia sa papa you timi frame sa me se mpe no e still of force me wo pan ka on kan kire obetimi aye asie me ba jo se asie ana wo hwe se wo ba no odada o
sana me hono itam pese me nya yi kakra fi mo patan
remember iso ebe ma na how many dabe na pese ko en ho ade
but so pese me ko en ho ade next month
yeah match in plan for how long
but then say be 6 months
6 months ni wa hu ne maame hu ne papa
but
wa hu ne maame hu ne papa
but
wonim ni nua no pepepe
but
na we are sure say we are ready eso person ware
but no
we dey mfi ahe
we did 23 years
35 years 25 years ejuma ben na oye secretary and I also edi mfi ahe
and I was 27
also what 25 27 yo in fact 6 months there e betimi aye good e betimi aye bad there make out say but some nyina mo jimu di e was santi ase no e sure some are ready for marriage there then enti lot of investigations na we what am I say me can so your baba ni o obi anka onka at 25 days she's too young so enti nya abotre ba men doubt nsu bebre
that's matter
all right may that say hello Auntie Mary hello Auntie Mary
hello mommy good evening
me mo akwa ba de ba Odo Ahomaso.
Modern so.
Me da say. That's my friend Hini.
Me free no go bare.
Okay, Nungwa, right. Happy Mother's Day in advance.
You say to you.
Me da say. Yo, yet you.
But me been until 8 months in here.
Oh, okay.
Na menana kasa yedi nkomo me call me question na de. But yedi is the way no. 1 month ni and then 1 month. Be 2 weeks ni me friend na on kasa me ho na de. Nti no me yesa me call na me ko bi sande nti a.
Okay.
Me friend na on fa. Na me call na ka chem say asembo obeka kire me. Nti no minya butwe asembo na so obeka o de kana me hu asem kono.
Yeah.
Na ya solve.
Yeah.
Also obe friend. Isa dia me kofi.
Wow. Okay.
Nti ne Saturday I ebe chi Sunday na me call. Me call hono. Ana me fa me sister ba ko e ka ne. Nti no yes, I know. So my sister ba ko kan wona ye koy.
Yeah.
Nti ye koy no. And we catch my sister no so o me son. The ntia ye friend na on.
Okay.
Nti my sister bi say no say asem wo. Asem ni nyina no say.
Yeah.
One ne ex girl afaifu.
One ne ex girl afaifu. Okay.
Nti no my sister bi say no say nti ye ne den. You see, I know my married na ho. Ana obeying.
Yes.
Me say actually my dream am sadia. Na free. Na me bisa.
Na obisa no, wo sister no ebisa no. Na wo te ha, na wo sister ne te ha. Na be man no in question so te ho no. Asem no wo yia no.
Wo yia no say ai.
Ono be koso atena.
O say o hwehwe mu ade.
O hwede ade.
O hwehwe mu ade say ye ono ana say ye ono.
Anyi san no a ne ex girlfriend so de ne nyem no. O ko investigations ahwe say ono no na nyi san ne dia na asa nye ne dia.
Ai.
Wo say one no atwen pra how many months?
8 months.
8 months. Some mwedi mo ho. Ana mo ni mo ho.
Baby.
Mo nye hwe. Is stay mo di ni say.
Sister kwa me to kwa me ko convention.
Me ba chaw say mo ko convention. Oh, okay. Yo. Say no sister. I say obi aka kire wo say obema bi anware wo da. Wo ka say kra me nua ba wo su wo mu. Yisaya ni fi mu right now. Yisaya ni fi mu right now. Me akuma Mama Zimbi.
Zimbi Jenek. The Zimbi.
Sasa menye Zimbi Jenek ne kra no. Na me twen da machi yo. Sa me koto me ti scent no. Fragrance no. You will not see me again. Now that bold decision I be taking you know. And ne me ti hey ya. Me advice you know. Me no man me mama. If I should ask her age, maybe she would be over 35. Yes, Anna 30, Anna 28, Anna 32, or get into her 40s.
Yeah.
This is very serious issue. Many animal ma say men no o man ferry and can't remo and ferry mo. No more to me the money say me name me oba me ne giant say me ne nyemodea cause oba me call him.
Simple.
What say was sister no ni wo auntie no precious time and energy. Na odi girl no atwen 8 months ni nyame na adom wo on you enti obeso okoback o kwa obefa so akoback sister man nko ebi kwa na odi yare boni bi na ebre wo nyame hira. You see why are you some men like this and like that?
Like this and like that.
Like this and like that.
Honestly, I remember being more there. Okay, and it's high time say you show a man a lot of respect. Okay. I think sometimes too we listen to the voice of men more than that of God. Okay, voice on the 18, but if you don't listen carefully, you will miss it. What do I say? I say, Obano, you end up falling into such a trap. Okay, if you're not yeah, remember no more intentions nearby.
Okay.
Because there's some situations are naturally happens. Maybe original intention, was to get you to a certain point. Okay, our area. And maybe some serious, very understandable issues. ABC, yeah, they end up even become greater friends than even when they were in a relationship. What do I say? Okay, but remember to take advantage of the fact, say, a man they love to hear
sweet things.
Exactly.
Sweet things.
In the balance, are not code no.
Now what they want decode now what delete be now what be shame now more yes square. Hey.
But oba kaso otowa. It is the best feeling you as a man you can ever think of having. So why do you pay her back in such a manner?
No, Eric, I'm expecting you tell the women how you guys are. Majority of you guys, how you are.
Yes, yeah. Majority of the guys in there, but the intention is majority of them. The intention is near obana bedda na yeah. But who's a marry problem no? Said the army who is who's a also convention. Or then 90 for 8 months. Which means a marry nyamisuru kakra woni mu.
Yes.
Inti no fa ne ho ma be ma no.
So aka. So
on fa ne ho ma be ma no. Inti I dia nyame be bia ye. Empire na okokọ boy no na nyame pese o twe ne fi be ma no. Nyame hu se be ma enye ma omwa. And inti na if for you know crap no na enye se on obi crap onyam. No ana pese wa fed up.
Inti excuse me not the work.
Because onya ne na.
Okay.
Mary I send the dross no pampe Mary me dase.
Me dase.
So dross no. Na twa emrepa no. Nyame be you di ama. En rase. So on the ex that is on the ex no communicate.
I still.
Oni na ejaya, oni ni nyaye. Na de na oni ni communicate. To the extent so assign na akoda.
Aye. Ama nyisa ba. Nyisa be man kwa sabe you correct there. O se afa na okohwe mu ansa.
Which means on no sure.
Na ode tape na so that three.
Onkosa na
de. Na wa said it.
Onkosa.
Say ebi na no so ni ne so ni.
Sasa na tie nti no kwa hwe mu no. Which means the ex no so no so fa.
Na we ja won ex how ko deny den.
Ko deny den.
We say so o gentia dada no monya fine. But me san konkodi. E so ja ne ho no wan trans you. Ebi ni ma bedi ekọ nsem bebre. Enemy madam for be friend from US. I say obeso oba down na or the ex guy people how omo bon kon am say sweetie say na woni na oja and say wasesan o once we kwatra America cash kakraba enti odada obeto akoma mesrew ti mi ehwe sa ne mani hwe yi mi ban so frɛ ya ho de on campo ane la iti ko ye
no
say wa worry
be mani mu no
no ko fa oba abeta mompa so
come on America say me so we pretend on some issues there and kasili pena ko enim you have evidence say be ma no or the more dem ho no aye bibia ho and oba no abeto what nim say wonu na share obanase legally impo anyone say emre mo kra no imini mebrede but I know say when there's an issue of adultery
say bible no kraka and no na bible no so betimi na ja
wa no pa na o mpa na o mpe enti mo bona
enti temwa yeah what to na mo abom ami amane mo mo sefata mo so di mpanifo aba ye so ba na ye ni ba ma e wo mu ana anim o se me twane to o se me nya bio asa
simple that is a be man be nya enhunu aja tuma pa oba ne chewa
right but sane ma no ye didi atemo sade no o ya o se nya asemanka na ensuma aboso so
yeah
ba shira ni bebe mu ne ye mra wo mo so da enche wo yiri ana wo kunu emre bia baako abo adwaman ba ye betimi etse wo ntimi dia no what you from say soge na wa ye free adishi my mama nkoso mama call me Instagram page na menken kan 1 or 2 na ma chame ho aba wo ti mama kan 1 or 2 be right big mama or say I'm really enjoying your show, especially the short videos, making my night smooth. As for some guys, if you follow them, they will be your doom. So, my dear females, shine your eyes. This is a great advice coming for Biggie. May I say, then I'll read the rest. May I say. Papa B. Yagusu Mama Koba, Ediba Odo Ahomaso, Adom TV, and then someone appear bano. Be sure seeing I yes, dear, Yanshi and Holding. But the power is yours to say Annie and Debbie. Bema betimiaka I, Bema betimiaka Debbie. Sana bans betimiaka I, Anna Debbie. Sa Modeno, enkuta me akuma Mama Zimbi, Anna Eric, and I say Andrew. The power is yours to say yes or no. Mefa calls by my Instagram no kakra. Beatrice Bedusa, I like your program. It's very nice. It's my first time too. Lovely, say oh alajo. I say me feel pa. I'm enjoying your program here, right here. Madam, I say pretty Sarah says hi, Mama. Please, I have been married for 3 years now, and I just last week I saw a box of condom, a box of opened condom inside the driver's seat in my husband's car. Box, it's been opened inside my husband's car or driver's seat. Once box been a right hand side, you know. Whoa! When I confronted my husband, he said the condom fell from his friend's bag. That he gave a lift. Is he lying or is he cheating? Did you hear this?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, right. For me, I cannot tell. But wait, Elijah say straight away, I can tell he's having an affair somewhere. Because if indeed education tells us you don't keep condoms at a hot place, it's indeed that's a condom is for the home. Now, what is wrong when married couples use condom? Charlie, it makes it more romantic, and you have to enjoy. But I love your boldness, sweetheart. Lovely. I love your boldness. But wait, the obisaya. Now, condom, yeah, box here, see where baby see. If he was madam for me, man left, and they feel the bag motor. It's what done for party, and once I'm found Cancomano.
It depends on when. And Adam for left.
Okay, she's watching us, so tell us. Okay. Did you say the day or it's been there before? Ain't it bag? Okay, 1 + 1, please. 1 + 1.
And yet two.
And yet two. Ain't it bag? Burn a one box of condom. I Timmy Mutoy. What down for no oba na bema. And the bag and I say another day. You know, they are more.
Oh yes, but you know, I think it's me see. But the thing is, you need to probe further. One can say or bano. We will first, you know, for need to form.
Now,
the other thing is a bit between now.
I would love her to bring more. You should tell us how you did on a life and living. Or say, Mama Zimbi, me feel a little too much. Original Mama Zimbijanic. Wear your drawers, and it is now. Me da say, hey baby, me da say, Janet Marte say, I really love your outfit, Akuma. Thank you. You know, I am an African woman, so this batik is me da say.
The next style.
You know.
The lioness.
Janet Marte again said, Mama, you're really looking fabulous. Me da say. This whole dress is coming from Gross Ventures. Yeah, she designed that. Me da say. Michael said, you look gorgeous. Thank you so much. Asante says, sexy mama, I really love you and I love you more. Okay. Triwa said, hot position, love it moi. Me da say. Linatic said, you're looking super. Me da say, I can't. All right. Benny's, I down for to say, or down for to say, Benny's.
Yeah.
And that's it. Benny's here too.
But maybe 28 years.
28 years, good.
Yeah. Me a virgin.
Good.
Hello.
Why are they?
Good. Why are they? Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, 28 a virgin. And what is it again?
I just got married this Saturday.
You got married on Saturday?
You mean you got married this Saturday, past Saturday, and I'm coming Saturday?
Last Saturday.
You got married?
Yeah, 6th May.
Wow. Where's your husband? Hello?
No, last Saturday, 6th May.
6th May. Okay, great. Go ahead, Yetio.
Yeah, up to now, I'm still feeling pain.
Up to now, you're still feeling pains?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Pain about what? Pain in your heart that you regretted, or pain on what? Which of the pains are you having?
No, anytime I have sex with my husband.
Oh, okay. Where is your husband?
My abdomen.
Say that again.
Abdomen.
My abdomen.
Your abdomen. Okay, you being virgins, you know. Did you open up for your counselors to know, say, I'm a virgin and he's also a virgin, or I'm a virgin and he's not a virgin? When you counseling be efi ho. Hello?
Yeah.
Emma Moya counseling, no? Did you open up to say, as for me, I'm a virgin and I don't know anything about love making, and certainly if we marry, certainly something will happen. You educate him, where he taught how to go about it, and he taught how to handle you.
Yeah, I've told them.
I mean, I say your mom education on that.
For sure.
Now education, mom, no sa na wukuno handle wona na.
Yeah, but still I'm feeling pain.
Edia education be na de ma catch them saying. You catch okunu so we are virgin. Say ni say no ye education you can say.
I feel koto Gislin.
Huh? What is on koto?
Cancer and it's on koto Gislin.
Now fanya day. No, on fanya day.
No.
Gislin as lubricant?
No fast start.
No fast started.
Yeah.
Vaseline and I say Gislin.
Vaseline.
Vaseline.
Yeah.
And what happened in the education, mama, about as a man marrying a virgin, how to go about it after marriage. Now, oh, person breaking the virginity. Sana, counselor, nature mo. Hello. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Nobody. It's only your voice you are hearing. You are looking at me.
Yeah.
So don't worry. Don't be shy. Oh, counselor, no, your na bema.
Oba.
Oba, sana, counselor, wo.
Pasha.
I mean,
Oba.
what we say, Vaseline now a wrong note on the first place. But I think, sir, the best thing education also, mama say, there should be more foreplay, not when you're more wet, and he needs to go slowly, systematically. Because meaning say, who can be my draw? And I say, ha. The American out here say, did he take his time? Or, I mean, foreplay, how long did he do? Were you okay? Were you what? Were you ready into the thing? Most of Oda, Akim Oda. And you know, just last week, you know, how many times no do you?
4 times.
4 times. From Saturday to today, Thursday. 4 times. Nini you know what pain wo? Now what hospital? Okobisaye. No, sweetheart, I know you are watching, you're listening. And can you be kakra baby as a but you need to go and see a doctor. Munko doctor, ne catch a doctor and said yet here. Na yeah, because in fact pains what's the best I found why see oh yeah, infection makes me asset in. That means so break it moja by and I say Bruce is
too much.
1 minute too much.
It depends.
Oh yeah, more but that no. Oh, education I can you. What's one called fat there?
Boba na susuru. Who's that? Oh, I'm so who
Nana, I'm my call about the Odo Ahomaso.
Hello, mommy. Good evening.
Good evening, sweetheart. At the same. Yamia don't ya who ya pa. Yo, yet you.
But your more problem, Kakana, me guy, your US.
Oh, guy, were US.
No, me chat to say Yakasa. But ya Yakasa. No, kind or something to be a mechanic so me test the bone me that.
I didn't come up by Namobo.
You say, me bagana, me you say, I'm too challenging test. I didn't person me didn't know very be as to say. But because of me, person, I'm a kind India or bagana, no, seriously, who up to now. Oh,
bagana, who no.
But buy no frame phone so. or film phones no time when I'm seeing what you I don't know so when I'm so what you mom come the funny market shop no see you. By me friend I know you on one side by me my too much because the media Yankopon me and then me for some one my bear matter. Let me do two.
I see. Now, it's who share with social media.
That be bra, and I'm nebra no home.
I was social media, no so na ga feedi ga doji.
Seeing nebra, madam for and or catching so for pay no nebra and to barman.
And you know, nebra no American, on you ready so bawario. Or calculate when your ma be 6, no before I can 10. Now, about holidays in a bar. Now, I be for me, no call. So, into only one bon common, I can say you are another time person. Always in energy will also be you. And it's not by an own person behunity down Yamia say. He's not the rightful man for you. How old are you now?
I'm 28.
28 years. You better have it somewhere. It's not late at all. Even if you are 50 years, it's not late. Won't you? Catch it. Remember, catch it and won't you?
Hey, 28. I'm for pay you.
I'm for day.
Near my mature.
Mature.
I will have been. Correct one.
But when Saturday, son, I remember we go about you. But when say, we don't see a 419 for one Ghana how. You don't know how they get those numbers. And then they pretend as if they are there. The conversations are easy. Oh, that's a program here. Things that are happening. Yes, my baby soon to me sham or ice. Emio.
Is a man or Ghana? I only baby.
Dubai, hey, and it took a hey, half a snee, hey, but I know so, but I know so, but I know so.
Not international.
And yet, you have May. It be quite to me why I see Kefia Koba just in the name of marriage. I was saying, me never for you now worry, me and you now worry, me be a push me. That is that.
Desperation.
Yeah.
Eh? Moncho, incredible.
But the thing is, would dominate to why. Almost me read the one more, almost the energy journey from almost the fake.
Okay.
Then you need to was here. Just relax. Okay. Listen more and act less. That's the only way.
Listen more
and act less.
And act less. Okay.
Yeah. Because I mean, you can't A, not the H here. You can't B, not the BH here. Some of these things will happen.
Okay.
It also doesn't mean say, Bema Bia per se or no it one Bia no a fake. There are some with genuine intentions.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very genuine.
Yes, things happen. Okay. And you can't one more or more plan say. This one, they won't hit fast. They disappear.
I won't work fast.
Yeah, I want clear 1, clear 2, clear 3. Make I have record for my name. Every day, I don't know. You see, but remember, we need to grow out of certain things.
Yeah.
Because it wants to so bonny.
Right. And I won't say, I dear back on so I said, my need the honey say, the fact say I catch or say, me bra we were broachy, or pay year warren no, and just say, fa ho kokoma no munya namfo ni mu na nkomona mudi na who say ade na natural ebeba won struggle nti munya namfo na mun flow na mun nim ho nkomo direction bia na nti from namfo ni mu na then you can graduate to be ebe court inde na afide say mpenifo ye busuafo no mu nyina bebem we no kra po mo hu nyina say mo hwe mo cycling mo blood group just say
and you can know komo say ebinum in relationship na master counseling na obi advice almost mo nyina mo koye health check you see odwen say me wo we odwen say my say odwen say my say
ekuma sa dia we I hurt a lot of relationships me a victim me do obi afemu bi da and I'm woman and I'm born also and I regretted doing that.
And the thing is on say
so what I say
na onu onim health status and onim so akon mama di mo ho dada enti bia ye kwa akoye something might come out enti all encourage you grab and and e dey dey kwa see dada e dey na happen and so bia so ni immune system so enti no it doesn't hey sweetie and so Emma dear yen wa yen toto yen hata imeme die nso yen toto yen noa yen ka yen na hwe naturally never naturally never na ye come and see prepare ho and e be to mumiensa with different men they don't learn out of it
right yeah but a master should also learn say not all that glitters is gold
me that say
abroche wana mo ten say oh bu abroche wana opese no if uko utie say na witness it and you be maybe femo abroche ho na yes ya ware ya be ware akọ na uduru ho no
obete
lady ya wa freze oye virgin ya na ase ne yi obi de ne sun kwa ye tu ne sun kwa ato ba bi anapa ewia lunch time enwumre anaju so for beche na aba
yeah the was but you guys I know you're wonderful both of you are married and you've passed through the meal it is by his grace we decided in time and today you are here as my wonderful renowned gracious persons if you're a guy and you are going to marry a virgin how should you go about it? Let's give the education. It's important. In terms of love making, after marriage, you know, and you have to look at your beautiful wife's face and break her virginity. How do we go about it, sweetheart?
What was that?
Because we are very and person yes. So tell us.
Obani a virgin.
Good.
Young fan say be a ubema no dia wafe muda and also a virgin crap at least. Before once I when you say Obani a virgin and also a virgin, you should be reading more.
Okay.
Your research. And Matni quote him say, I didn't say play romance. Romance and then they say, you're grey. I say, in sweet Timisuya, let me grow ban. No, ban, ebia, uns Beman, I saw on Swaggin Daho. Say, Obana, the party be our best, so not a canona. Let us say, a yaki. Or can't, let us say, a cohonti. So it's your coho. Now, hammer horn mukakra. Nafi, only explore bano. We explore natural no. Na se before. Na se ne form so now the be see anona. Enye.
Obeda mo so ase afọ. E wo se won sa no so eto ano. Na wo hu say e ho ayet na kaka. E ho na ayet ro kakra.
On kan hihye mu. Dabi. Fansa no fa tweba na no drop it.
Na mesrew. De e kan ma me fa kakra nto aso. E ya one wo yire no e beda hwe se wo mawre no.
Yes.
We bubu ne kama mutie. Yan kas for stand call 1 2 3 and I say you but odun sat to asuna bon say enkruma bi apie ho
and if o check oil level
o check oil level o de nya botoma ni keme ba so kasa
into odun sa na fa etweba no ho na di sane kakra na mo say na atwa na fo truka we virgin into truka pa into ne sa no into kwate ne nso no o fensim ga o make sure say all the bed brass twaba nanim kakra ni nyina now they respond all the show ba no say
the movement
no
and then the response
no
great so it's movement and response
into the see ne twaba na the fa twaba no na
asa o brass no
o the brass kakra o beto obo ni nyina o bo nsa ba form into no the kote ni si ano na and negidi o tobo
eoya de me ko kakra
ubehu nti
ma na nyoya
ma na nyoya nti ukita obema na no
yes
na o de geji o
wow
nti o de sie ni no na o hwe oba se me kan kakra nti o ye no aji wa tobo kakra na wa brush kakra eyo de afọ ona o hwe na read that onu supia ba onu supia ba na afa
nti se onu pia ba na se e kan ko nti na o de sim
no ama na bie ne nan ne kakra
wa check
nan ne kakra
e dey friend oba jege oh boy
na de sim boko na o itu na kakra boko e no enya gidigidi yes, I'll bet you on no more.
It's better no here energy and stamina.
Until now they are suspending one so far more than good so.
There be
suspend one so na kon boko. Neji boko.
Was it to where
so now you reading. Who do you reading no? Now crocro. Kakra.
Na fa. But I put say where there and you remember you benyo 2% because yeah can I continue na
gina
no so
Kotian timiyeshi.
Temperature na easy.
Timiyeshi.
Overheating.
Timiyeshi pa.
Esi abute we.
Eso nya abutre.
Andrew, abute we ebenya.
I say to me,
okay.
Ebi nya
Bisbenya.
First week ni there so nya.
It is still on your wife is a virgin,
right?
And you making your first love. We need more education.
You see, say, dear by your bani da.
Ma oni so kakra na you too romantic.
But just say, say dear by your bani da. Imagine now what happens the first time I break your bano.
Wow.
Yes, there's some women now. Oh, issues about sex there.
I don't want to hear.
Ubisana all but the fact say nipa no breaking in the first one did a very poor job. What do I say? Me, okay, Bema. Wokushia wife, why not? No idea. Dream say, would ever mean cast your object.
Okay.
But she car a Odo Ahomaso. Home use.
Yes.
And a brand new. What? Sometimes one best car can be from.
Becoming sure.
Atadia, your favorite shirt, and our favorite Atadia over so she. How our phone, how our tone. You need to be extra patient with a woman on the first time because one, Okofa Obiwa Baba so. Yeah. It's a lifelong journey. You know, Uber started amanenia jo for the rest of your lives, good or bad. When your program we are drew them now over be breaking. Me sure between time and most I say more related more I know. What's your ban? What's the no kakra who say oh oban e bia somewhere around the body ha very sensitive to obano. Okay, you are trying to get her attention to the fact say you are just about doing something you guys have never done before.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Yes. And that feeling is very important.
Okay.
What I say? Okay. Where do them draw us down? Okay, you're about to do what you have to do.
Yes.
Bema no one. It was a wunya abotre no more. It's wunya ahode no so more. Because ebia bibia ene no mfa. It also devising new stra.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. It who play no a lot of foreplay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any akrokron so nka ho.
Yes. Now can sem guna sum.
In some there.
Exactly.
Enya ntro.
Oh, intro.
Okay.
Intro. Why I mean so intro be you know home. What I say? Inti who can sem no. And wo ye ni bi ma baby e for. It has any air for sa no. How do you know say she's ready to do anything in the first place? No for but a chance na when we're getting that mood to want to do anything.
Yeah.
What I say? It's good son and baby. Now they try baby. Okay. Eventually they could do 9 tempo now. Let me kind know. Who check your oil level? You're only checking the level of the oil. And Eric kind know true can. It could do baby. Or no crown or bar to win any energy be. At the show ban.
It's she's getting ready.
Exactly. Yeah. She's getting there. And also just say what you are being is in the back. No could proud of your action.
What more boxing that? So can't see there. That to do sasa.
Oh, me Jimmy Kakra.
Oh, Jimmy Kakra. So do that stroke again.
Oh, you know.
Hey, bro.
Oh, you know what time? Yeah. So it's on force. So I say it. Who check it. Who's there? Now say it may be such a way say. I say we need to it's like an open mouth.
Yeah.
Okay. And it tells you say you are welcome to enter into my heavens.
My world.
Yes.
Welcome to my world. Shala.
You understand? The balance now. So to see position be a emfa or how embre or ban because how are we breaking no? Next time who penetrate. Na say anko ye something direct and something I man feel comfortable. It means you better go take before from. You understand? It know who see position be I am oba feel comfortable. It everyone say why a brushing no various brushing now but I mean
brushing there were various ones so.
Oh yes, say we were ye dey nsa. It was
okay.
Bomski Tafreskovich.
Yes. Bomski Tafreskovich.
Yes.
Sana brushless.
Yes.
Okay.
You know, it leaves a certain impression on the mind of the woman.
Yeah.
Say, I dear me could I am media. Me just sure send me to me funny after any time will be. I can't even imagine say obey from it my sir. But yeah, lazy job. If you're about she's well read. I know name say the other things that a man can actually do. Now one yet. Oba also open power one and and you wise out to me and also you have a difficulty doing that now. Oh man, a certain question on the dream. So I be my cry, then I might not to me and maybe so to me. What just say. So eventually, we do at the point of crossroads, no, so cross it, border no, Iraqi pa. Remember one more deal.
Seriously.
Eh, into time I was what position who say also as position who say the train.
Yeah.
Who can also crow. What I say. Eventually, after the first, was all for sometimes all for say
and crowd
and quite trouble. And so soon pinwich as a wap upon of a sock of as a coach to coach kakra.
A cockrono. What's that? Oh, yeah. No, I can't china, you say. To sign yes, sir. Send me call forward the Yagro.
Exactly. If the force I did bar, and yet force I will proud. But force I to be so be the chairman saying. A shopping.
Okay.
What I say?
Breaking on.
Exactly. But a bonus okay, some of us are the type when there's too much pain now, we rather feel more for the woman.
And then you don't really enjoy.
No, it's not we enjoy it. Say it is so at least what the most difficult part me aye. The rest is up to you. Whether or not Obano feels say montuas or another montuas or no. It's up to Mumi, you know. Okay. If you after all the talking all the romancing and all the so on feel say move to us what. Relax for her. I did
Auntie, I was like, "Unya that patience." That's to me train. What's that? What do you mean to me? Train. I was like, I was all trained. Me that say, what's here? What demonstrations? What's the education at the mountain? And Pema got the prepare when you a boko. Nata. Aja. Coming family, last two callers. Now for intro, so number soon name that 0302211701 after 704. Oh, Mr. Ado, yama kwaba diba Odo Ahomaso.
Ma'am Pacho, good evening.
Medase. Now Frefi.
Pacho, Frefi La Paz.
La Paz here.
Yeah.
Yetio.
Pacho, me a young boy, Mrs. Sona. Dear Mena Bre, getting to 1 year near. Now, disagreement been by thing. Now, them one and a fan a bago. And I'm me put two getting a look at a and I'm feeling change. But you sure Menina breath but me say or Babu for the better say or the show now me Brahmin Tika Renia the idea now later or Babu for the throne.
I didn't talk on a buy.
Me any cheating
I didn't who was cheating? You or her?
Yeah. I am only them Kasa na only them for piano quality missing person and but the person. Hello?
Sweetie, more champana. For all dictionary no mono, and says only Bema be a P, and so Bema be a casa. At the end, so no.
Mam Peso only Bema be a P and any casa, but ma, I just said Bema only to get into the 1 month. Not say on P. Not a whip here could chase around bed 12 o'clock, nothing I will buff you, not the money could be ma, Osha, sanity. And
yet, you want a dinner pay. And now Pierre can have a fun. Waba.
Oh, Pierre can have fun. A 2 week one for that baby. Before or the back, yeah. Now, like,
dear, dear, men penny say, more chimprana, they are more to aqua tramon chain. Enti no be cry or te on one kasa ni baby or te now so to say definitely obey pia kwaba na de ehia ne say obedi no kra ma ne ho so what I say but because say be a certain one dey be kwa na adwuma me ba so what I say be na adwuma e bia oton ne market nkete e wo kwa ho e no nkyere say money be man kasa mom I mean mom kasa oh hello love I love you too Debbie say those words I love you too ni onye adwuma
getting to 1 year men am I bia 1 year, not mommy. Kids are banana, what's on your mouth? What you are putting on them and change. onye juma getting to 1 year. Odi akotra be man chen.
Enti
Do
case what's the case aba?
Case my akotra be man chen machro say, Odo, I'm sorry for what I did.
No, but wait. Who can say case aba and one son near Mako? Case be na ba. Misunderstand?
Misunderstanding and buy.
Okay, and I'll turn a bag in it.
I would be more you.
But that is not one in it.
No.
And you're healthy. Won't say enough for 4. Now, more trim planning, you guarantee, say, by almost at the end, you know, a bay our dear. Ain't you tiny baby, so to baby. Now, most study each other from afar. Now, we hear some part or any credit for, or you say, or send a hustle. So, Nampacho, waka kwa sema for so dear at age 28. What's wedding fear him?
29.
29. Now, Timia, baby, man, and quite near cano. Any cano. Because Obasa, no one year. Or because or caught the mammy ho, or caught convention, or caught sorry, or caught wrecky. No, say, maybe I say. And ya dear, a beb wow. Ah, Mammy Abba. Hello, Mammy. But I say, now for him.
My patron, my friend,
Takrade for to Musania, sorry, you. Global Fem, no baby, what Takrade home to copy be yet you.
Patron, you. And my patron, Minya, first and foremost, Minya 40 years.
Also, when you're 40 years?
And my wife for 13 years.
13 years. Anyway, 40 years.
Patron,
Monster Pratima me. At age of 27 hour.
Yes.
Now quite in fear.
Oh, 43.
Okay, good. Me pachoka say it you.
Me pacho me problem in answer.
Yeah.
Say me who word I mean you say me libido say down.
Abafom.
Me nya interest ya was sex.
Who nya interest was sex mo?
I tell you and
what hospital?
My it started somewhere Mexican born now I was feeling things.
Okay.
The third born then me call ya quiet puffs me and I didn't know but this to know what quite to the extent that is I find it very difficult to me kumba me hokra. Me ankasa me imagine those days I meeting na day nyoma just to get something and it's really affecting us.
It's really affecting you.
My via in fact
okay.
Me and me so he said to Nankasa but me who any way out.
Okay.
Kindly help me.
Yo. Me dear, ma kenkan global femi kakra. Takrade nso ebi ewo ho. Debi takrade ebi ni ho Kumasi Sunyane ena Accra. Enti Accra Kumasi Sunyane Nkoforidua. But anytime baba Accra bia na mama ma Accra number. So when you come to Accra, you can call this number. You just go get one and see. Because when so no raise libido and I obey me Accra hospital so beauty about Accra hospital area. All right?
That's right.
All right. It's my mom number way. So 0264 40 0264 40 3981 0264 30 there be 0264 40 3981. Why? But more ma. More 3. But pleasure in love making, no, and a winya will leave it to a form. All right. Don't worry. I love your boldness. I love your boldness. That keep watching the show. There's so many things. You get up into your first libido again. Now Quebec say, wow, what is this? What is the secret? Okay. And you will be all right. Sweetheart. Anyway, young man, something in Apple, and then issues are being no. A great, a educating, a informative, and a science entertaining view. If we say, yeah, the news say we bad Roby, or be Jade, I should do. I say a Vaseline, and run
to natural.
So, young money, I'm so grateful to our viewers and our callers and Instagram, their contribution. We love it. But Eric, yeah, bonnie power, I kind of saying.
Oh, you're born a boy. The America and man say, and I mean, man say, oh, worry. Now, Bema warrior. But when in the hole, ma weni nda ho na make sure say be ma na mekwa akọware no nyamesoro woni mu otimase transparency wo ho
me da say weni na ho nyamesoro woni mu otimase emu da ho han high love Andrew yes
okay ne meka ne say love but love right
why that
oh yeah I mean because love biana also extended to the other person if the person doesn't deserve your love don't
how would you know that the person does not deserve your love? Are there any signs that you will see?
You study. You know yourself. Things you expect.
Yeah.
If it doesn't work out for you like that, don't stress. Don't push. If you push too much, you end up breaking your own heart.
Say that again.
If you push too much, you end up breaking your own heart.
Don't push too much. Either wise or otherwise, you end up breaking your heart. Lovely brothers, I love you so much. The viewers, the listeners, we love you more. Yeah, that was said that's we am right now by a wonderful cameraman. Mamuti fie, what the issues by more frey, your wonderful sponsors. Anaja Black Masita Coil. Hey, Global Fam. Yeah, that was sound man, MCR, cameraman, set designer, light. And you, everybody, producer, director, brings the near J. Yeah, the moon to God with the glory. Or chance you wish ya. Odo Ahomaso. Let's do it, baby.